The government has issued a notice saying there would be no complete lockdown on Sunday. Transport and other businesses would run as usual. KSRTC and BMTC have issued a notice saying that KSRTC and BMTC buses services will continue as usual on Sunday. This comes after state government decided to revoke complete lockdown on Sunday. Around 3,000 BMTC will ply in the city as usual from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Several people gathered in front of Corporator Imran Pasha's house after they got to know that Imran Pasha tested positive for COVID-19. JP Nagar police were seen warning people not to gather in large numbers in front of the corporator's house. Fatherlandpura Corporator Imran Pasha distributed food to over 30 police personnel at JP Nagar police station. Pasha had distributed food to police personnel on May 30th. All the police personnel from JP Nagar police station likely to undergo COVID-19 testing. 3 primary contacts of Padranpura Corporator have been quarantined. Health officials are likely to quarantine more people following information given by Imran Pasha. Padranpura residents continue to violate containment zone norms with impunity. Several residents were seen roaming on the streets without any proper reason. A few of them were also seen not wearing masks. The area now stares at the possibility of community transmission. On Friday, Padranpura Corporator Imran Pasha too had tested positive. Confusion prevails in the city over the reopening of schools. General Secretary of CAMP says the schools are gearing up to reopen and have made all necessary changes, but the Karnataka government has not issued any directive or notification allowing schools to reopen.
ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಸಂಘಟನೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಶಾಲೆಗಳು ಥರ್ಮೋಮೀಟ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಟನಲ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇತರೆ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳು, ಡಿಸ್ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗು ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಹುತೇಕ ಶಾಲೆಗಳೇನೋ ತೆರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಪಾಲಕ ಪೋಷಕರು ಸಿದ್ಧ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಯಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
State government issues guidelines to be followed by temples after permission was granted for their reopening. Accordingly, temple premises will be required to be sanitized and sprayed with disinfectants. Both the temple staff and devotees have been asked to compulsorily wear masks. Social distancing has also been made mandatory.
ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಪೂಜಾದಿಗಳ ದ್ರವ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಿಂದಲೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಸಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿದ್ರು ದೇವರ ದರ್ಶನ, ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ, ತೀರ್ಥ, ಜಲತೀರ್ಥವನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
As lockdown has been eased, BMTC and KSRTC has resumed complete services in the city. The BMTC buses were limited to certain routes, but now they will be plying in all routes across the city. City's hotel owners vented their anger out against the state government for not permitting them to resume dine-in services. Several of the hotel owners have complained of suffering huge losses due to the lockdown. A few hotel owners even sarcastically asked the government to take over hotels and pay the hotel staffers.
ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನೋ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನು ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನೂ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸೋತು ಸುಣ್ಣಾಗಿದೆ ಹೋಟ್ಲು. ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗೂ ತೊಂದರೆ, ಮಾಲೀಕರಿಗೂ ತೊಂದರೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲವರು ಹೋಟ್ಲು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವರೇ ನಡೆಸಲಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಸಾಕು, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
After the city's flyovers were shut for the night as part of curfew norms, Bengalurians have turned several of the city's flyovers into jogging tracks. One such incident was witnessed at Richmond Town flyover. Walkers and joggers were seen exercising atop the flyover. BMTC has resumed operations of its Vayu Vajra AC buses. The Volvo buses resumed its operations from today. Accordingly, the Vayu Vajra buses will fly from the airport to different parts of the city. The suspended CCB sleuth accused in taking kickbacks has been granted interim bail. ACP Prabhu Shankar, who was accused to have received kickbacks from city's tobacco vendors, was granted bail by a Lokayukta special court. The ACB has been asked to submit its objections and the proceedings have been adjourned till June 3rd. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa chaired a meeting at his home office, Krishna, and discussed about the measures to be taken to minimize the havoc created by rains in the city. Revenue Minister R. Ashoka, Urban Development Minister Bharati Basuraj, Chief Secretary T.M. Vijay Bhaskar and BBMP Commissioner B.H. Anil Kumar, along with Police Commissioner Bhaskar Rao, were present at the meeting. Health Minister Boya Sriramulu said that chewing and smoking tobacco in public places is a punishable offence. Ramlu said that legal action would be taken against people who smoke and chew tobacco in public under IPC sections 188, 268, 269 and 270. He said that residents can register complaints against violators. UB City Mall has made all the preparations to open for shopping from June 1st. The shopping mall owners were seen taking all precautions to reopen the mall. A disinfectant tunnel has also been installed in front of the mall. Revenue Minister R. Ashoka instructed BBMP officials to clear all the uprooted trees in Bengaluru before Wednesday. Ashoka said that the Chief Minister will go for city rounds on Wednesday or Thursday and asked officials to clear the uprooted trees. Around 50 bikers were stopped and fined near Solur checkpost for crossing speed limits. The bikers were from Bengaluru and they were heading for their weekend trips on their super bikes. Five trains are scheduled to leave from Bengaluru to take the migrant workers back to their native towns. 4 trains are scheduled to leave from Bihar from the Chikkabanaura railway station. 1 train is scheduled for West Bengal. Devnali police removed a car from a drainage using a crane. The car is suspected to have fallen into the drains after a driver lost control. Nobody was found inside the car and a case has been registered in Bengaluru police station. The car has a Maharashtra registration number. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa warned officials to respond to complaints from the public. BSY warned BBMP officials, police and forest along with transport and fire department officials to respond to public complaints on time.